Hey!
Dork.
Today we're playing New Super Mario Bros. Wii again.
Yeah, because we have fun playing that game.
And this video has been a pain to set up.
We're trying to get, like, the audio balanced, and it's not working.
Yeah.
So just,
This is the best we can get.
if you can't hear it, just enjoy the gameplay.
Yeah, this is the best we can get. Oh yeah, and part of that was also setting up this controller. Now, I am not watching the intro cutscene again.
Yeah, no.
Alright. Oh yeah, and I'm playing on a Switch controller.
And you're gonna be Mario, because you're player 1 this time.
That means player 1, and I do not want to go through it again.
Oh, I can't be Peach, huh, in this one?
No, because you're saving Peach. Anyway, don't. So you want to. Because you're not saving.
I mean, like every Mario game, you're saving Peach. What's that one that turned into Peach?
That was New Super Mario Bros. U.
Okay.
Deluxe.
Peach in that one?
Yeah, but it's a different. Peachette is a different character.
Oh, that was the pink.
That was Toadette.
Okay. That's what I was thinking of. I got confused what game we were playing.
Oh yeah, the cat's just. Are we gonna keep? He stepped on the mouse and minimized the game.
You got a shot of the desktop. Yeah.
Screw it. I don't care about my privacy. I'm keeping that in.
That's too funny. Let's go to one. This sucks.
Yeah. I do not care about my privacy and stuff. I normally care a lot about privacy, but that's just too funny.
That was funny.
That's just...
Script that.
Yeah, that's just too funny to cut out. He just, like, stepped on the mouse. Also, don't you dare lose my ice flower.
No comment. You know I'm gonna lose it immediately. Ooh, but I got all the lives. Watch your life count.
Oh my god, no! Alright, switch characters now. Switch characters.
You got a nice flower.
Switch characters now.
I'll, like, actually not be dying.
Or, well, you'll be dying,
oh, that
but...
was you. I thought it was
That's you. If you didn't... if you didn't see last episode, now you know what we go through. Like that. What? This is what we... I feel like that 600-second timer is gonna be...
Yeah, I did.
I feel like normally this timer would be really generous, but for you... It's very entertaining, just know that. Remember, the green guys follow you. You're gonna miss the mushroom.
I missed everything. I was going for the ice flower. Oh my god. So what did I do?
I almost got hit by the red guy.
So far we've been playing for like, what, 30 seconds or so, and I've already died twice.
Yep, I'm not keeping. The yellow guys move away from you.
I died. Again.
Now
You're down to 20 lives.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna eat through all of them. Don't stand above that block, it might have a problem.
Okay, I got the mushroom. See, I did one thing right.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I should have gotten the checkpoint, and then I would have been big, and then we both would have gotten ice flowers.
It's too late now. Wait, no. Whoa, wait. I wanna get the star coin. That's gonna fall. It's gonna break and he's gonna... I literally tried to tell you. That one's gonna fall again and he's gonna go into the pipe. Nice.
Let me get that ice flower in a minute. We gotta get out of my way.
Now. Now, wait, I need that guy for a platform. Oh wait, never mind. Stop. So, how much? This thing.
Oh, you need that guy to like.
Didn't you like find a way above that, or was that?
I think it's supposed to go above it, but I ended up just going straight through the center.
Yeah, and now you're the one with the ice flower. I can't get up there. It's a very fine.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to go above.
Yeah, but and you're supposed to freeze one of the fish and use it as a platform. But we're not gonna get it.
Like somehow I did it when me.
Yeah,
Don't
you.
tell me.
I'm not trying to. Don't lose that ice flower. That guy's gonna.
Yeah, but wait for him to close and then wait for him to open again and now go.
Now, freeze that guy when he's directly above the red pipe. Now, do not freeze him again. He's gonna stop the water, the bubbles.
Alright.
Then I can get this. And go down there. No, do not die. No,
Hang out. I was gonna just like wait for it.
purple fish. The purple fish follow you.
Can you freeze them?
They
Would they
instantly.
unfreeze right away?
Yeah, they instantly unfreeze. Star! Yeah. I forgot I'm the one who, I forgot I'm the one who doesn't... Like, I forgot I wasn't the one who has a billion lives this time.
Yeah, you're the one that gets all of these. So, like, when you have a billion lives, you still go for every one of them. Like that. You can,
I got the purple...
You can fire those guys.
Yeah, I just did. I burned it.
Yeah, but you left that one to chase me.
That, I totally screwed that up.
We got the same score. Ooh, we got 2 too. That's lucky.
And if you end it with double digits, you get a toad house.
Nice.
I think the digits you end on depends on what influences which toad house you get. But I don't remember any of them. So, yep. One of
For a
house.
second, I thought we weren't gonna get it. Let's go. Let's get our one up.
Let's do that, and let's then after that you want to go to 1-1 just to get propeller mushrooms.
Are we gonna need them?
I mean, they're probably the most broken power up in Mario history, so.
Well, I'll be able to shoot the.
What? I'm still gonna get them.
I'll get them all before I get a chance to get any.
The twist controls on this are really finicky. Tilt controls on this thing are finicky. I'm going with a bit of a hacky fix to getting for this thing. I mean, I wasn't really meant to play New Super Mario Bros. Wii with Joy-Cons. I don't think that was intended.
Like I'm gonna be able to get that.
Oh yeah, by the way, these things fly away. If you didn't notice before, if you didn't know before, they fly away.
I have to wait for the next one.
Yeah, after a while, they fly away. Oh. Getting coins. Okay.
I'm gonna get this checkpoint.
Sorry.
Yay!
Okay, that was an act.
Get the power up, and then I lost my power up and didn't even get the other one.
There's another one in here. Wait, stand on top of the block. Get on top of the block.
That is easy for you to say. Oh,
Remember, you're slippery.
that does not help me. Whoa. Okay.
You actually got it. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah. Let me get one. Oh.
Sorry.
Time.
Hey, I'm the one with less lives here this time.
Yeah, but you're quickly gaining on me. I've already died so many times.
And I just lost my propeller because I'm an idiot. And this is the end of the level too. So I came out of this worse off. Am I gonna have to run through this again?
Oh my god. There's colors in like this whole world. Let's just play it.
Just 1-1 is where it's easiest. You know what? Wait. That level on the mushroom. Oh, that level on the mushroom has propellers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go there. Alright. Just remember which character you are.
I got this.
Luigi won by doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, that's me. That's
Yeah.
Mario.
Yeah. I'm always Luigi just because I like playing as Luigi.
You make me play as Mario because he's always player one by default. You can't change it.
Yeah, you can't change who player one is. If you're wondering why I'm stuck playing Mario, that's why. Because I'm player one and I don't want to... You spin again to slow down. And you pull down to just quickly... Hey, there's a secret up here.
What? I didn't mean to do that.
There's something up here. You can get on top of these blocks. Oh.
What?
So, don't touch those blocks.
Okay.
I don't think... Wait, I just realized.
What?
I don't think I signed A on this controller. So I can't bubble. I can't bubble even if I wanted to.
You know, you did a lot less than I do.
The reason I'm under is because if you ground pound a vine block, the vine comes out from the bottom.
There we go.
Yeah. Even... I just, like, forgot about bubbling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a troll. That bottom part just... Imagine if it turned out the top was blocks too, so there was just a soft block in there.
That would suck. That would be evil.
Yeah. That's like some Mario Maker stuff.
Hey!
I instinctively spin jumped because I thought I was Luigi for a second. How useful. I'll get the star point if you want.
I got it.
You actually
Got
get
it? Luigi then.
jumps higher. Maybe the higher jumpers get that. Although you do always complain that Mario's slippery.
Yeah.
You do always complain that Mario's slippery, and Luigi is built in. I had to go at the time.
I didn't get one.
It was on a timer.
Is there a way, like, when you're spinning, is there a way, okay, get pushed back forever. Is there a way to spin twice?
In the air?
Yeah.
In the air, no.
You have to land?
Hey, yeah, when you spin jump, you have to land before you can spin jump again.
Okay.
But you can spin jump from the air if you haven't already spin jumped. Like, see?
Stop bubbling, don't die.
I'll try not to.
Yeah.
Oh no! And now we're both small! Yeah, I'm fine. Now, please tell me there's propellers here. This is what we do. Oh. It's gonna be in that moving one, isn't it? It's gonna be in there, isn't it?
Watch it just be a coin and we're just going through it with nothing.
This is
It's a mushroom.
you know what? Come with me.
What?
There's a red coin ring. Hey! Hey! Oh wait, it might be in there. Hey! Next time there's a propeller, I'm getting it. Wait, is there a second red coin ring?
Is that a different one?
Yeah, there was a red coin ring earlier. Okay, I don't think that's supposed to be there. Or
How are we
is it
supposed to even get it?
No.
Not like that.
Yeah. I think we're supposed to have propellers.
We don't know.
Oh wait, we can ride one of these blocks.
Yeah, you try that because I can't.
Although I can't bubble. Now watch this immediately crash the game. Ow! Most of these... I think this is like the only level in the game with 2 red coin rings.
We'll get it.
Oh, it actually moved. Oh, wait, no. I think this is like one of the only levels in the game with 2 red coin rings. Like
I
that.
honestly didn't realize it was a second.
I was confused as to why there was a second one.
Ooh, I got the star coin.
This time.
I did it last time too. I'm better at this time around. Maybe we should just record all the time except for that. I just landed right in front of the flag.
Yeah. Hey, maybe Mario is holding you back.
I know, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Usually when I'm playing as... The few times I play as Mario, usually you just play as like... What was it, Toad? I think you just play as Toad. Now, let's go with the other one too. This level, I think, is easier.
Yeah.
Also, there are fire flowers in here. So if you'd rather have a fire flower, you can. Ooh.
Get all the time. I don't know which I lost it. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get. Oh, I can't because they're on the wheel. Okay, never mind. Oh yeah. Do they just despawn? Oh.
Okay, maybe I was wrong about Mario holding you
I
back.
think it was a fluke.
Also, you're supposed to use a paratrooper that's here, but
Oh
we have
my god. I thought I was gonna die immediately right there again.
we have the propeller mushroom, which is like the most broken power-up ever. Sorry. Only I can be here. Right before you came up. Please. Got it. Hey, next time we play, you're gonna have more lives.
That's true.
And yes, yes, audience, I am always this evil.
I just
Sometimes.
died.
This is how we always play.
Oh yeah, so I can get these.
This is just how we always are.
It is. Let me get it.
Oh, come on! I did not want that. There's a thing over here.
Oh, I lost it immediately and I died.
I wanted the propeller still.
I wanted to be alive.
I'm surprised you didn't die to those goodness.
I almost did.
Now.
Wait.
A little thank you. Oh yeah, that's a coin block now.
Oh.
I almost got hit. I almost got hit because of the freeze when you died. Just ate my jump input. Whoa!
Oh my god.
I bounced off of your bubble. I bounced off. I bounced off of your bubble. This entire Ah!
You're like, oh, this level's easier.
I thought it was gonna be easier. Oh yeah, can you get this block?
No, it's a one after take it.
Oh man, you remember.
Okay, I'm going and I'm gonna push you off the world.
Hey.
I'm gonna get that flagpole first.
But I got higher. And now we're on equal footing.
I know.
Lives.
Like, oh, I ruined life. Look, I took your life count down and you raised mine.
Hey, that means next time you'll be here with more lives.
That's true.
Yeah, next time you'll have more lives. You wanna do another run of 1-1? Just for the propellers?
Fine.
Yeah, because this castle, as the castle name would suggest, has lava. And there's the one with the gears. There's the one with the gears. Of course I landed perfectly between them. Both. We came in with mushrooms, right?
I think.
And we both lost them.
I think I'm bringing you down.
Yeah. I landed perfectly between two Goombas.
I was like getting better, and now I think I'm bringing you down.
Yeah. Now I'm getting worse.
Yeah.
Also, I think I need to have a...
Hey.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That is very laggy. That is very... Take that.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were gonna die there.
It feels like I've got a delay. Like... I feel like I'm delayed.
Okay, I'm pressing.
You say that way more than I do. What? I just like completely... I just like couldn't control Mario for a second. I feel like I'm playing with a delay. I think the hacky... Yeah. I think the hacky fix that I did to play with these... To play with the Switch controller is not working well.
No, stop it! If I also landed on the ground like spinning it, just let me get it.
You could press down to go that fast.
I thought it was gonna stop right before I got there.
That'd have been funny, though. That'd have been funny.
That would be my luck.
Yeah. But hey, you better not waste those times I've given you.
Well, we're gonna do the castle, no promises.
I'm gonna go back to Luigi, and he's gonna be at like 1 life small.
Continue. It's for the first time ever.
I'm gonna be at like 30 continues. I did for once. You just like... Oh yeah, you want an ice flower? I think there's an ice flower. Just let the gear push it. Oh, there's a thing with coins up there. Up above that gear. That was nerve-wracking. Killed.
Okay, how are we gonna do this?
Like that.
How am I gonna do this? That's what I'm using. Oh my god.
You just go on the coins.
I did.
Oh yeah, I think that's an exit.
Ah!
Ah! Ah! I don't want to risk it.
Get on that.
Sorry.
Say get. Okay. Let me get it. Let me get it.
I was like 1 pixel off. Oh yeah, there's an ice flower in one of those. Grab it. Grab both. Because I want to keep my propeller. And there's invisible blocks there, so go in there and jump as much as you can. Oh yeah.
Shouldn't have got.
You could have trapped him under there too. That one has no invisible blocks.
I should have saved one of those ice flowers.
Oh man, I got hit. I am not on my A game today.
Who are you, me?
I'm like at least on my C game.
I think. Oh shoot! I jumped too high. I think that Mario energy from me is wearing off on you guys.
I am definitely.
We're both. Oh, this is no good.
And I died.
Okay.
Stay under there. Why am I not? And now the real pro can get all the coins.
Yeah, I can't wall jump. So how are we gonna get up there?
Yeah. This just run. Oh wait, I'm not gonna get. We missed one.
And I died.
Well, at least we got a checkpoint.
Let's mushroom us.
Mushroom us. We're gonna get shroomed up.
We are gonna crush this castle.
Crush! Ow! I just
this castle like you just crushed your leg.
yeah, I just like punched my leg. I like that.
Of course you get that one.
My leg!
Wait.
I'm protecting you from that.
Oh my god, okay. I need to do it again. Okay.
Now you're safe from those two.
Thank you.
And there's start point number 2.
Wait for him to go.
Now you're probably gonna get hit anyway.
Nope, I did not.
Huh.
Got hit here.
I got hit there too. I got hit because I slid. You wanna get those coins? I thought you needed a wall jump to get those. Probably just because we were small.
Yeah. That's why I was like, are we far? What if I got in?
We lost. You. Whoa! Alright. I should really not do this. How am I struggling so much?
I don't know, but you're usually good at this.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe because I'm used to playing as Luigi, but their physics aren't really that different in this game.
I think you're just rusty. It's been a little while since we played this.
We played it like 2 days ago.
But like, real. Like, we played
What
the
the-
easiest
I didn't even-
level of
You see that? Mario walked and I like didn't even press move.
class.
I just actually didn't move. I don't know.
What
Wait.
There. I think I should just let you do that, because I'm gonna...
You just now do not move. I'm not even. Usually Mario would like would like scream and bubble, right? Yeah. He'd be like. He was just completely unsettlingly silent.
Oh my god, we're going in with just one of us is big and one is small.
This is gonna be horrific.
Made it all the way here. I'm just gonna hang back.
This is the one with the moving floor.
Oh, great. I'm gonna just be jumping for my life.
And I'm gonna learn.
Look,
I've learned that I should not use this.
I look like I'm even like crouched down because I'm scared.
Yeah, which you should be.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, I just instantly got hit.
I have found the sweet spot.
Ooh!
Look at me. I can't get
You.
hit.
Oh my god!
Oh, I hacked this. Oh, that was close.
You
Yeah.
found the sweet
Okay,
spot.
so I'm like in between the two.
Yeah.
And I just go up and he can't get me. I never do that. Okay, get the freaking key. Alright.
You just didn't even move.
See, there the whole time. That's how you hack it.
You embody the true essence of Luigi wins by doing absolutely nothing.
Alright.
Alright. Which one do you...
Well, shall we save it here and call it?
You know what? It's only a couple levels. Let's get to the tower first.
Seriously?
Which one do you want to do?
Let's not do the one on the left.
Yeah, that one's harder.
You should I swear that I think Luigi is infused with my gameplay energy, and it's like getting
Mario.
Mario. Did I say Luigi?
Yes.
I can't.
Luigi is infused with my prowess. I don't know if that would hurt me. I really hope it wouldn't. I bet I can stand on these.
I think I'm playing better and you're playing worse.
Yeah. Alright, so infused with Luigi energy.
I am, and you're infused with the Mario energy.
Wait, this has a P switch.
Yeah.
We did it! Fire, actually.
Let's leave that there in case I lose my ice flower immediately.
It's probably gonna despawn.
Well, okay, let me go back and see if it's still there. Yes.
Ah! It's actually still there.
Hey, I got it.
You got it.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god! I didn't even watch what was going on. And I died. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Socially distanced unbubbling. Social distanced unbubbling. Now this... It's a lot easier with a projectile. You collect the coins, I'll burn them alive. I'll commit the arson, you who reap the rewards.
Oh yeah, remember we discovered that was
On it.
we discovered this was a coin.
This is a star coin down here.
Cause like there has to be a reason why there's so much like sinking sand. Like sand right there.
Sinking sand.
Sinking sand, I invented a new term. I'm like, there's something here.
Slow sand.
We couldn't find that star coin and then it was there.
Hey! Hey! Stay spread out for me, because there's going to be a bunch of coins here. Of course. I wonder if it would be possible to get all those.
I don't know.
Maybe with 4 players?
Maybe.
That are all skilled? Oh!
Oh, this is where we have to like shoot up.
I can't shoot anymore.
I can't the coin.
I can't reach it from up there. I'll need to get onto their platforms.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait here and wait for you.
You're just gonna be insurance.
That's half the reason why I play with why you play with me is because I can stand. I'm telling you, you got my energy is infused into that character and you're getting it.
Yeah.
But most of the time when we play, I'm just an anchor. You're like, I'm gonna try something. Oh.
Okay, this is not worth it. Screw it. Yeah, I'm done with this. My ego's been bruised.
Yeah, now you just like to.
I think I could wall jump that if I was big.
You're stuck in the fight.
Forever. Forever, probably.
Jump right in.
I got a barrel.
Why did I die?
You ran into it.
I know, but why did I do that?
because you're you.
I think my energy's getting into Luigi.
You've been cursed. Like, Luigi's been cursed. Luigi has now been cursed by the you. Just any character you play as gets cursed.
Oh yeah.
Stay there for insurance. For insurance purposes. I did it, but hit him. I did it, but got smacked. I am sucking this game off. Either I'm rusty, the Mario has cursed me, or both. Or it's this.
I think it's a combination of everything.
I think it's also has a bit of controller in it.
Yeah.
Because I swear this controller is not as good.
I think that's probably the reason. It's funny to think that, like, I'm just cursing you, but...
I have done absolutely no testing with this controller.
What if you, like, did it... At least to jump off and die. What if you did it right before that star coin got to the platform so it could drop?
Oh my god. Oh yeah, this one. You need a mini mushroom for this. And as far as I'm aware, this level does not provide one. As far as I'm aware, this level does not provide one. You died like the exact. You died like the exact frame.
Why did I kill him?
I don't know. Maybe he had like. I don't know. Maybe he just had some extra spiky hair.
Yeah.
Maybe he just.
Why did you do
I clicked the wrong button.
Okay, get us out of here.
He just decided to. He just decided to have a spiky hairstyle that day. Maybe.
Maybe.
He just had the Zack hairstyle.
Okay, mushroom mud.
Yes, that's what I was trying to do. Now this is a dark level. Your face just immediately changed as soon as I said it was the dark level.
Why did I
Because we have fun. Oh yeah, there's just a random coin block up there for some reason. I'm not sure if it actually means anything. I don't think it does. I feel like the devs just like left a coin block there by accident. They just like put it aside. You're just like demolishing anything you see or don't see.
Oh, that was you. I thought I was Mario again.
You're just.
You get that fire well. If it's still there.
Yeah, it's still there. It's on top of the block. Your worst nightmare. Basic movement. Wait, if you're next to it, and then he won't show up. And now... Yeah, you can go down that pipe. You actually did it.
I did it.
Oh yeah, that's these guys.
You can't
Don't
fire these guys,
Nope.
right?
But if you break the block they're on, then it doesn't affect.
I got it.
You're actually playing well this time. I think kind of like how you've been, kind of like how I've been cursed by Mario, you've been blessed by Luigi. I've been cursed. Yeah.
I play better as Luigi somehow.
Yeah. You almost pushed me off. You didn't know. You didn't realize there was a death pit there.
No.
Happens to the best of us. Oh god, I hate these things. They were annoying in the DS game, but they're even worse here. Because they get big. There's a fire flower here.
Dead.
And these guys can go up these platforms. At least they give off light. Oh, they're following you. They're following me now. Oh no.
Come on.
Oh yeah, I think they're stuck up there. I'm gonna try to lure them away. Oh wait, no, I think they fall in. Oh, come on. Ah, uh-oh.
Yes! Okay, now I can get away from them.
There's a thing up here. Now, get away.
Go.
Hype.
Oh, I know that. Oh, here.
And... Ah! I think that was perfect. That was nice.
Good job.
A thumbs up like a true monster. And now this is gonna be a
I
quick
didn't
one.
need the bubble.
Oh yeah, down here there's a star. There's a star at the bottom.
Oh, I need it. Where?
Get down. Oh wait, or is it a mini? Yeah, this is a star. Uh-oh, sorry, I just got both. But it illuminates. The star illuminates everything. Another star! It's fully lit because of star.
Kill the enemies. You're not even killing the guy.
I'm trying to. You just get continuous star path. I think if the star path is already over.
Ah, thanks for pushing it. Okay. Sniper.
Yeah! I'm not even mad about it.
Okay, that
Move!
was you.
Move! You're gonna get hit!
That was
You
you.
just got... Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm waiting here.
Okay,
Okay.
that was funny. Oh!
Huh?
Now. Oh yeah. I was hoping that'd be a power up. Because I really don't care about points right now. Oh my god, there's a fire bro here. Get over here for insurance. There's a fire bro. Insurance.
Nice, I'm getting that mushroom.
I'm illuminating you and hopefully not melting your skin.
Yeah. There's definitely been times when your like fireball or ice ball has unbubbled me into a precarious situation. And died.
Hey! You bounced me up.
I died.
I think I'm safe. Oh yeah. Don't jump. Alright, my hat's a bit singed, but I'm alive. I almost went through that without collecting the star coin. But hey, now we never have to go through this trouble again. Unless for some reason we want to. Which, Woo! You can get infinite lives through that. But... we were 1 second away from double digits.
Bad.
And I am mushrooms.
Yes, please do.
Oh, mushrooms! Yeah, Mario hates mushrooms in the movie.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert. We're gonna end this at the tower, cause... my timer phone is almost dead.
Hopefully I was supposed to go in there, because I just did.
Easy. I keep thinking I'm Luigi. Oh, wait, this, like, is really... Okay, this thing...
Okay, then get off of it. I'll control it.
Yeah, the spinning is... Screw it.
It's hard. It's not even doing it for me. I think it's using it with this, with the computer. I mean, mean the Wii.
Yeah, the real Wii.
The totally real Wii.
Yeah, that we bought and paid for now.
I am bubbling to you.
We do actually own a Wii, but it's just easier to record on our
Oh.
Yeah, I actually do own a Wii, but it's just easier to record on the Wii.
Hey.
Ah. Get out. Get out of here, Luigi. Get out of here, Luigi. Door! Door.
Kill that guy.
He's gonna respawn. Ah, nice. Now, please. Daniel needs a new pair of...
That's the worst one.
That was just actually useless. Even a star would have been more useful.
Yeah.
I was hoping for a propeller mushroom. That would have made this so much fun. Ah! Take my jump. Oh god. Ice flowers can dissolve these, can destroy those. So much.
I'm failing because I'm proud of it. I'm not really
It's hard to do, like, this game was made for a D-pad and I'm using a joystick. That might have. See? I killed it. I killed the magic. I killed the magic. I can't... I would bubble over to you, but I actually can't, because I don't have the button mapped. Haha, I did it. Speedrun strats. Super skills.
Yeah.
Why is it just a Imagine trying to beat this level without... Imagine trying to beat this level without grabbing the fences. That'd just be like propeller central, I feel like.
I need that mushroom.
This... The timer phones is about to die.
Bubbling to you.
And I'm...
Oh.
The timer phones...
Watch out, watch out!
Oh, that was entirely too close.
I killed it.
Of course, it's right on site.
Got it. Oh yeah.
I feel like this is just a you bubble moment.
Yeah, just leave me bubble.
I
don't.
Door. You're gonna have to do this.
It's hard. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that.
Well, right back in. I'm just holding the button. Mind if I take the controller? Just do it because it's screwed on mine.
Let me get something.
I'm not ripping this time because I don't get a benefit from it. And now I have to be Luigi and I have to be Mario again. I killed two at once, you see that? I got that 2-for-1 deal. Ah! I paused. I can't bubble
How
over.
did you get up there? How did you even get up there?
Well, while jumping.
Okay, get up and then I will bubble to you. Don't die right now.
It's hard to do the up and the direction I'm supposed to go at the same time. Think fast, Luigi!
Stop combo.
There's a hallway before it.
Oh, I thought it was just you, but I think I need to come in.
Alright. Ha-ha! You gotta jump over it.
Oh,
Hit him with the ground pound. Get it.
oh yeah.
And I'm probably never gonna use this again. Especially, probably never gonna use this on a Wii game again.
It was an interesting experience. And now you know.
Yeah, to never do it again.
Yeah. Alright, let's save and get out of here.
Yeah, get out of here! Yes, save. Imagine if I click no by accident. Title screen.
Alright.
I don't need to quick save because I don't have anything.
Yeah. Okay, thanks everyone.
Bye! Well, the timer comes at 1%. You're just straight. That's us for ya.
So we go into our lives here.
Bye!